Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I will share the dreams and vision I started getting after meeting this twin flame in 3D. So, the first dream I used to get, it was I am running with a baby, trying to save a baby from this twin flame, and he's chasing me for that particular baby which I'm holding. And there was another lady who was my immediate relative. She's again trying to snatch that baby from me. So this was a repeated dream. It kept on repeating close to 3 to 4 years. And so it was clear that I am running with a baby, trying to save a baby, and these two people are trying to snatch that baby from me. One is this twin flame and other is the relative of mine, the lady. And second vision, okay, so it wasn't a vision, I would say it was a dream, sort of scary dream. I saw myself without clothes, wherein I saw there were a lot of masculines standing and with the head down, nobody is looking towards me. And I wasn't without clothes, I didn't had any clothes, and he is the one. So I'm trying to run away from that place, and I'm saying that no, anybody watch, but he should not watch me, like this. So this was again several times repeated dream, and I used to get scared. Why do I see this? Another thing, I used to see a dream wherein I am getting married to him. Now this wasn't a dream, it was a past life memory. So I kept on seeing this, that I am getting married to him, but now I started questioning. I don't even think about getting married to this person. Reason that first of all, I wasn't sure whether it is a love or attraction. I was giving excuses to myself for close to 4 years that this is not love, this is attraction, and it will get over by the time. So I kept on giving this excuse to myself. But this was again repeated memory. It was a past life memory that I got married to him, that too several times. But again, as I knew that I will never think like this of getting married to this person, because within 6 months time I had several evidences that this person is not a right person. So I would not even think of letting him to be part of my life. And even though if I think once, I know that divine will make him the part of my life, and I would not let that happen. So because I had several evidences, but by that time I was supposed to have so many soul shocks because of this person. So this was the dream which got repeated again and again. And also whenever I used to close my eyes to sleep, probably during night, or maybe whenever I was in other shift and was at home, so I wasn't sleeping, and the moment I close my eyes, I used to see one thing, that I am living as a neighbor of him. Like my house and his house are just opposite of each other. I can see things inside his house, so we are living as a neighbor. So this was a repeated dream. This dream got repeated for several years. I don't even remember for how many years, but yes, it was a repeated dream. So no, I would not call it a dream. So now the concern was that it is not a vision, because I get vision with the open eyes. So I knew what vision looks like and feels like. And then dreams comes only when you are sleeping. So I wasn't even sleeping. So the moment I used to close my eyes, I was not sleeping. Immediately I started seeing this, that I am living as a neighbor of this person. So I did not understand this, because I did not understand why I kept on seeing this, wherein neither it is a dream nor it is a vision. So I had a problem in understanding this. Another thing I was seeing, so previously I have shared a video wherein I have mentioned that I used to see a vision through open eyes, that I am getting married to a particular person who has a particular profession, and after marriage I am actually traveling in a charter plane. So that was continuous vision. So as it kept on coming, even after meeting this twin flame, it was not getting stopped. So what I did, I started visualizing this twin flame in that future, wherein I am traveling with that in charter plane. So I did not visualize marriage with him, but yes, just to block that particular vision, I started visualizing this person, this twin flame, in that I'm traveling with him, the future I used to see. because intention was to block this particular vision, because I was literally bothered. This vision I used to get since my childhood. I have already shared it in a detail in a previous video, the vision about my marriage. So what happened by the time I think frequency got reduced, it did not stop. This vision kept on coming. So either the frequency got reduced, or I could not understand because of the separation pain. The pain of separation with twin flame was extreme. So probably I must have ignored, that vision, but it kept on coming. So that was another reason. So these were, particular dreams and visions I used to see, and I kept on questioning. But I was clear that I cannot think about getting married with this person, because while having evidences that this person is not a right person, as I started moving forward, I was given so many soul shocks, one after another. And I'll share all of those things because it is really important, and that's the reason that I'm sharing this story. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.